100 win nyo dito sa PBL.
Grabe
What
naman
does this
yun.
mean sa career mo?
Matanda
Dito
na
with
daw siya.
Creamline?
Oo nga, medyo nagkakaedad na. Pero syempre, masaya at talagang na-achieve yung 100. Pero sana mas madami pang panalo na dumating. Especially this season, this conference na madagdagan yung panalo pa. Especially sa mga next games namin.
Sa'yo, Alaysa, anong pakiramdam maging part nung ganyang achievement ni Coach Shen sa PBL?
Grabe, Coach Sherwin, I'm with Coach Sherwin
Sabay
since
kami.
Ateneo, other professional teams then. So we've been together for so long. It's just so nice na magkasama pa rin kami na na-achieve ni Coach Sherwin yung mga ganitong milestones. And, you know, this kind of milestones also secured or polished also kung gaano siya katibay or gaano siya ka-effective as a coach. So it's just, I'm just very grateful and blessed to be under his mentorship as well.
For Atilay, if makumpleto nyo na itong quarterfinals, so that would be your 17th straight semifinals appearance. So meaning, mula nung sumali kayo sa PVL, never nyong na-miss yung semifinals. So, sa journey na yun, kasama nyo si Coach Sherwin
Yeah.
and almost the entire team na rin. So, gano'n lang din talaga kahalaga yung longevity, chemistry, and being intact na kumbaga naging greatest asset ng Creamline over the years na rin.
Kano kalaga, well, it's very important to us, to the whole management, because I think we're always banking on that familiarity to be in this PVL conference and other conferences. And we'll definitely take this an advantage. Hindi madali kasi syempre it's always a question of may bagbabago ba, may changes ba, may mga things ba na kailangan kaming palitan because it's been so long, the system has been running for so long, but in the end we trust each other and we're gonna believe in each other as well. So pabor sa amin yung ganito kami katagal, and hopefully mas magtagal pa at mas madami pa kaming ma-achieve na milestones in the long run. Hopefully, Lord.
And for Coach, ngayong taon, mula nung last year po yung Grand Slam, then ngayong year, coaching NU and Creamline. So habang tumatagal po, kumbaga yung responsibilities din dumadami sa inyo, pero gaano ka lang po siguro ka-privileged to be in a position na you're coaching two great teams at kumbaga tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung success mo at this point sa head coaching career mo?
Syempre, ako naman yung situation na nandyan palagi, yun lagi yung pinaghahandaan namin. Yung past kasi medyo nandyan yan, pero nakafocus kami dun sa future tsaka mga next game. Dun lang naman ako nagpo-focus palagi. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy and mag-improve pa palagi yung team na hinahawakan ko, kasi mababait naman talaga sila. So mga masunori naman. So ganun naman talaga. Kailangan yung chemistry ng coaches and players okay naman.
Coach, speaking of next game, yung game 2 will be on Saturday. So ano lang yung mga nakikita mong areas of improvement pa na kailangan i-work on ng team before game 2?
Siguro balik muna kami sa panonoorin ko muna ulit mabuti. Mahirap kasi magsabi ng kung ano yung naging lapses. Siguro balikan na muna ulit namin yung game ngayon, then wala mo ng break. So hindi pa kasi tapos yung trabaho, may game pa sa Saturday. So balikan muna namin yung game ngayon. Panoorin muna ulit namin.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,
Yay!
Atalay.
Thank you,
Congrats on the win.
guys!